Hey everybody, today we are going to do a zipper face makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with my eyes, and I'm just going to use my regular brown eyes for this tutorial. I know I love to use some contacts and wigs, but we're just going to go a little bit more natural for this look because there's a lot going on. So I just put concealer on my eye space. I was going to start off with my eyes first, just decided to hop into my face because, you know, it's fine. So I'm creating a nice base for everything that's going to happen. And then I'm putting on a little bit of concealer. This is going to be like a full glam look, and then with some crazy glitter. Toning myself and then blending it into my hairline, by my ears, and by my neck, all that good stuff. I'm powdering over this. I'm starting off with contouring my face and my temples and around my forehead. I feel like I have a big forehead, that's why I like to contour around mine. I'm just filling in my eyebrows how I would normally fill them in. Now we're starting off with our eyes. I'm using a kind of peachy tan color and using this in my transition crease area. This is going to act as our first color. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of a darker warm and just kind of build that into the outer V, a little bit into the crease. But first I'm going to highlight under my brow bone and in my inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to build up with just a little bit of a darker brown just on that outer V a little bit there. I'm tight rimming my lower water lash line, and then I'm going to hop into doing some eyeliner, doing a pretty thick wing on my upper lash line. But before we do that, I'm going to put a little bit of some liquid eyeshadow, just a little bit of some shimmer on the lid of my eye, just my inner lid. Of course, everything I will be using will be listed down below in case you forgot, in case you were like, oh, what's the order, what's happening here? Everything, of course, is always in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Just applying some mascara. And then I cut my zippers too short, but I'm applying the zipper to my face. I just used some liquid latex, I just used some lash glue, aka just, you know, normal adhesive lash glue for the sides. Feel free to just get the zipper. I decided to get the one with the thick band because I'd never done this before, so I decided to, you know, do the thick band, and I felt like it looked kind of weird. So you could also cut the band. I'm talking about the black band if you want to, but that, you know, everything's completely up to you. I threw some false lashes on, and I'm just kind of putting some silver disco glitter all over my face. Feel free to use like a gold or anything like that, but for this look I really just wanted it to be silver for whatever reason, for it to stand out a little bit more. And I've seen a lot of these zippers where you make your face like cheetah print, you make it with glitter, you make it bloody. I felt like for this one I just wanted to try the glitter because I've never done the zipper before. So, and I would suggest kind of outlining where you want the zipper and then put the glitter on before you glue the zipper down. So trace around where the zipper is going to be so you don't have to keep lifting up the zipper or get the glitter all over the band of the zipper if you do that. So I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. the next couple of days will be some really, really fun, interesting ones. I love you guys so, so much, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye.